Hello everyone. So today we'll tell you rehabilitation of a person who is having hemiplegia because of stroke or any other injury. So she will tell us what we can do.
Hey guys, today we are discuss about the stroke hemiplegia for the left side, and this is the passive movement we are doing. I can show you how to grab the hands and how to lift that one. You can put your hands like this and make sure to grab hand like this one. This is the passive movement. This is the flexion movement.
You can see that she's using her one hand to support my elbow and the other one to hold my hand, so that my elbow is in extension and is not doing any other movement except extension.
And then we have an cross adduction.
What we are doing is we are doing passive movements.
This is a shock lever, passive movements. Completely circumduct your shoulder. You feel any pain and discomfort, and then we can go with the shoulder level for the internal rotation and the external rotation.
What happens in stroke? There is a weakness of muscle. So muscle is not able to perform the movement. That's why the other person has to assist in completing the movement.
Because the hand is in spasm and in flexion position, we are doing the stretch for hands. You can see that she is extending my fingers and my hand and holding it.
This is the left side. We can show you for the lower limb how to do for the passive movement of the one. The same thing as like that. Grab the other hand on your bottom of your knee and then hold it like this.
This is knee to chest.
Okay.
This one for circumduction.
In hemiplegia, half of your body doesn't work, like one your arm and one leg, half. So that's why we are telling you how you can treat a person who is having
To
hemiplegia.
stretch the calf one, you can put like this.
Yeah, with hands she has grabbed my heel. She has supported my foot with her forearm, and then she's just stretching my calf muscles. Movements of foot.
This is the passive movement of the lower limb for this. What is the condition? Hemiplegia. That is the thing. You have to be follow this one for your. You have any patients you have in your home, you can try to do this. It's really helpful for you guys.
Now we'll tell you some weight transfer exercises. So,
Hey guys, weight transfer for hemiplegia. I can hold the patients for one hand for the both the sides, and then they cannot lift for the left one, supporting properly. But you have to do the right hand makes maximum. Put the support and lean on the left side, and then make sure you can put the pressure on the bum, and then make sure how much the counting number is 20 seconds, and then relax, and then make sure shifting the person to the other side, make sure. Because of the stimulating, the neurotransmitting stimulation, it happens to be trigger on your bum, and it will be fast tracking it happens. And take your own time and then relax. Shifting the one side to the other side.
So we are shifting weights. First we are putting weight on my right hand and right hip, and then on the opposite side.
Okay. This is the video for the transferring for the hip and then for the hemiplegia. Try to do for your home. It is keep helping for you guys. Thank you so much. See you on next video.
Bye.